Have you ever felt trapped in the depths of your own mind? Like a mental ray pulling you into shadows where clarity seems light years away? You're not alone. Today we'll explore two proven techniques to snap you out of that mental ray and back into the radiant light of your true self. The journey through our minds can often resemble a labyrinth, filled with twists, turns, and sometimes dead ends. In a world brimming with distractions and existential questions, it's all too easy to find ourselves lost in thought, spiraling into negativity or confusion. But fear not. In this video, we will uncover two powerful techniques that can help you break free from that mental fog and reclaim your mental clarity. Before we dive into these techniques, I want to hear from you. What mental challenges have you faced, and how did you overcome them? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's create a community of support and enlightenment. Your story could inspire someone else who's struggling in silence. Technique 1, the power of breath. Let's begin with our first technique, the power of breath. In many mystical traditions, breath is considered the bridge between the body and the spirit, a lifeline to the present moment. When you feel ensnared in a mental ray, take a moment to focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, hold it for a count of 4, and then exhale slowly. Imagine with each breath, you are inhaling light and exhaling the darkness that clouds your mind. This simple act can ground you, bringing you back to the here and now. Remember, the breath is not just a biological function, it's a portal to higher consciousness. Try this for just a few minutes. Let the rhythm of your breath guide you out of the shadows. Technique 2, the art of visualization. Now, let's move on to our second technique, the art of visualization. Picture this. You're standing at the edge of a vast ocean, the waves crashing gently against the shore. Each wave represents a thought, a worry, a fear. As you visualize this scene, imagine each wave washing away your mental burdens, leaving behind only clarity and peace. In the realm of mysticism, visualization is a potent tool that taps into the subconscious mind. Focus on a specific image that embodies the feeling of freedom and empowerment. Whether it's a vibrant sunset or a starry sky, let it fill your mind. With practice, this technique can transform your mental landscape and snap you out of any mental ray that seeks to ensnare you. As we conclude our journey today, remember that the mind is a powerful ally, but it can also be a formidable foe. Embrace these techniques and make them a part of your daily practice. You have the power to break free from mental rays and illuminate your path with clarity and purpose. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mystical insights and philosophy. And for those who wish to delve deeper, join our newsletter for exclusive content that will inspire your spiritual journey. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of your mind, and remember, the light within you is always ready to shine.